Let me read the question now. Diagram 7 shows triangle ABC. Okay, as you can see here, this is the diagram 7. It is given that BC is equals to 2 plus x centimeter, AD square is equals to 1 plus with surd 2, and ABD is a straight line. Okay, so the question asks us to show that x is actually equals to 1 plus with 5 surd 2 divided with 49 centimeter. So it's actually a proving question which involves surd concept at the same time. Okay, so take your time to solve this question, and we will begin the discussion in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us begin our discussion for the question 11, where we need to show that x is actually equals to 1 plus with 5 surd 2 divided with 49 centimeter. As you can see here, this is the sketch that I've drawn based on the diagram 7. Okay, so to begin this question, we're going to start off by the information BC is equals to 2 plus x. Okay, why? BC is actually hypotenuse, and in the diagram 7 they already give us the length CD. So the only thing that we need to find left is the length BD, the base of the triangle. So we can find the base of the triangle by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let us begin our working here. So from here, given length BC is actually equals to 2 plus with x centimeter. Okay, so from here we're going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So given that BC square is equals to BD square plus with DC square. Okay, so from here BC square is actually 2 plus x square. Let me use another pen. Two plus with x square, okay, equals to BD square plus with DC square. So in this case, DC square, it will be 2 minus x square. Okay, so from here let us proceed our discussion. So from here we're going to expand the bracket for the left hand side equation. So let us expand this bracket. So 2 plus x square, you will get 4 plus with 4x plus with x square, okay, equals to BD square plus with, okay, so from here let us expand this bracket, 2 minus x square. So from here you'll get 4 minus with 4x plus with x square. Okay, so let us do the simplification of the equation. Okay, since in the left hand side and right hand side of the equation you have 4 and 4, so you can cancel them out. Okay, and then you have the same term x square in the left hand side, x square in the right hand side equation, so we can cancel them as well. Okay, so you're only left with 4x equals to BD square minus 4x. So we try to rearrange this equation. So from here we can come up that BD square is actually equals to 8x. Okay, because BD square is over here, negative 4x, you move it over to the left hand side, it will become positive 4x. 4x plus 4x you get is 8x, and then you rearrange the equation. So from here you get is BD square equals to 8x. Okay, BD square equals to 8x. So from here to get BD, what you do, you square root 8x or you surd 8x. Okay, so since we are dealing the surd concept, so we need to break down this square root 8x. So how are you going to break down this? Okay, very simple, let me show you. So BD, okay, is equals to square root 8 or surd 8 times with surd x. Okay, so from here this surd 8 we can further simplify as surd 4 times with surd 2. So surd 4 is actually 2, surd 2 we can no longer simplify, so it will be 2 surd 2. So 2 surd 2 is also same as surd 8. So from here BD is equals to 2 surd 2 times with surd x. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear about this. Okay, so let me underline for this length BD. Okay, so we done with the first step by identifying the length of the BD. Okay, so for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to identify the length of the AD. Okay, since in the question they mentioned that length A, B and D is a straight line. Okay, so we know that AB is actually surd x and then BD is actually this following expression, so we can plus them together. Okay, so from here let us continue. AD, okay, we can come up with the equation that is equals to AB plus with BD. Okay, so from here AD is actually equals to, okay, AB, okay, we have written over here is actually surd x. Okay, you can even refer it to the your question as well. Surd x, okay, plus with 2 surd 2 times with surd x. Okay, so from here excuse me guys, let us factor out the surd x to simplify the equation better. Okay, so from here AD, okay, will be equals to 2 surd 2 plus with 1, okay, in a bracket times with surd x. So we have already factored out the surd x over here guys. Okay, because when we times back we will get back the previous expression, which in this case will be surd x plus with 2 surd 2 times with surd x. Okay, so from here AD will be equals to in a bracket 2 surd 2 plus with 1 close bracket surd x centimeter. Okay, now this will be our first equation guys. Okay, why am I highlighting this as a first equation? Okay, take a look at the question. They mentioned that AD square is equals to 1 plus surd 2. Okay, so from here we can conclude that AD is actually equals to square root of 1 plus with surd 2. So for the upcoming step, what we're going to do is we're going to compare this equation 1 and the equation given by the question, and from there we can come up with the expression of x. Excuse me guys. Okay, so let us continue. So let me write down in the working here. So from question, it is given that AD square is equals to 1 plus with surd 2. Okay, so when you square root AD will be equals to square root of 1 plus with surd 2. Okay, so okay, and make sure you write this centimeter just to be safe guys. Okay, and this will be your equation number 2. Okay, this first equation we come up based on our calculation. This second equation we come up based from the question given to us guys. Okay, so for the next step what we're going to do is we're going to compare equation 1 and equation 2 together. So since equation 1 equals to equation 2, because both of them represent AD, okay, so that's why equation 1 equals to equation 2. So from here 2 surd 2 plus with 1 close bracket surd x equals to square root of 1 plus with surd 2. Okay, So since not enough space, okay, let me continue to the next page. Okay, for the next step, what we're going to do is, since we are having surds in the both side of equation, so we try to eliminate them by square both sides. Okay, we try to simplify them by square both sides. Okay, so from here 2 surd 2 plus with 1 square. Okay, when you square both sides, okay, your left hand side it will be 2 surd 2 plus with 1 square. Okay, your surd x will become x over here. Okay, and then equals to, from the square root 1 plus with surd 2, you only left with 1 plus with surd 2. Okay, so from here, let us expand this bracket. So from here, 2 surd 2 plus with 1 square. So from here you get is 8. Okay, because 2 surd 2 is also known as surd 8. So surd 8 square, it will be 8 plus with 4 surd 2. Okay, remember you need to use the quadratic formula, guys. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so 2 surd 2 times with 1 and then times with 2, that's why you get 4 surd 2. And then plus with b square, since our coefficient b is 1, so b square is 1. Okay, so from here, close bracket, times with x equals to 1 plus with surd 2. Okay, so far I hope you guys understand the working. So from here 8 plus with 1, so you get 9 plus with 4 surd 2, close bracket, x equals to 1 plus with surd 2. Okay, we are very close to get our value of x. So for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to find the value of x. So how to find the value of x? So very simple, 1 plus with surd 2, you divide with 9 plus with 4 surd 2. So from here, your x will be equals to 1 plus with surd 2 divide with 9 plus with 4 surd 2. Okay, let me underline the fraction. But this is not your final answer, guys, because you still need to conjugate your denominator. Okay, because we don't want to have surd in our denominator, guys. Okay, we try to have a whole number. So how to get the whole number in our denominator? We times with the conjugate of this following expression. Okay, so 9 plus with 4 surd 2, the conjugate of this expression will be 9 minus 4 surd 2. So we're going to times for the denominator and as well as the numerator. Okay, so from here, x equals to 1 plus with surd 2 times with 9 minus 4 surd 2, close bracket. Okay, divide with 9 plus with 4 surd 2 times with 9 minus 4 surd 2. Okay, so we are very close. Okay, so let us solve the denominator. Okay, so to solve this, a plus b times with a minus b, you get is a square minus b square. So we just focus to get the a square minus b square, guys. So from here, 9 times with 9, you get is 81. Okay, 4 surd 2 times with 4 surd 2, 4 times 4, you get is 16. Surd 2 times with surd 2, you get is 2. So 16 times 2 you get is 32, but in this case it will be minus 32. Okay. Okay, we done with the denominator. Okay, let us focus on the numerator. So 1 times with 9 you get is 9. Okay, 1 times with negative 4 surd 2 you get is negative 4 surd 2. Surd 2 times with 9 you get is 9 surd 2. Okay, let me extend the fraction. Surd 2 times with negative 4 surd 2. So from here you get is negative 8. Okay. So 9 minus 4 surd 2 plus with 9 surd 2 minus 8. So negative 4 surd 2 plus with 9 surd 2 you get is 5 surd 2. Okay, so from here 9 minus 8 you get is 1. So from here you get your x equals to, so from here our numerator will be 1 plus with 5 surd 2. 9 minus 8 you get is 1. Negative 4 surd 2 plus with 9 surd 2 you get is 5 surd 2. Okay. So from here our denominator 81 minus 32 you should get is 49. Okay. And there we go. We already get our value of x. Okay. Well done, guys. Okay, let me just write here proven. Okay. So that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for the question 11. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more upcoming math tutorial videos in the future, and make sure you share this video to your friends. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.